name is Katie Soder, and I'm from Crane USA, from Chicago, Illinois. Crane started about 2005, and we started with our animal-shaped cool mist humidifiers. They're 1 gallon tank capacity, and they put out about 2 gallons of moisture. They run for 11 hours, and they're adorable. They're ultrasonic, which means that they're going to be whisper quiet. They're cool mist, so there's a safety issue. You won't have any problems with it. And then there's an on-off auto shut-off that if the water runs too low, it shuts off automatically. Well, Crane, not only does Crane do the cool mist humidifiers, but we also do air purifiers in the shape of a penguin and a shark. And we're introducing tower fans, heaters, and a new design, which is a more traditional design cool mist humidifier. And that's what we do.